Hello guys, welcome to our channel Mystic Tarot World. Today we are going to do a love reading for Geminis. Let's see what's happening in their love life and for the month of September. Okay, this is a general love reading, so it won't resonate with everyone out there. So just keep that in mind, and if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing my channel. Let's start. I will be also posting a bonus reading for Geminis. So yeah, stay tuned for that. Let's see what's happening for Geminis in their love life. Okay, the first card is King of Pentacles. You might be also dealing with an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. The next is Gemini, your card, the Lovers. King of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sag. What more do we have? Three of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, water sign. The Tower, Scorpion energy. One more, Page of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Okay, so Geminis, what I see here is you are seemingly focused in the first. I'll go through the general how the month is going to be generally, and then I'll move towards your love life. What I see here is you will be quite busy. You will be working on your goals, on your aims. You will be quite busy in your work area. Whatever you do, like your study, you might be on a job, you might be doing business, you will be very, very busy in the month of September. Yeah, and people around you will be quite supportive to you. They will be quite adjusting to you, and you will feel very happy and comfortable and quite light with the people around you. Even in your family life, you will feel as if things are going quite smoothly. People are understanding you. There is no misconception, there is no misunderstanding, and everything is going quite smoothly. Yeah, I'm also seeing you will be given leadership, or maybe you will be given charge of something. Maybe you will be promoted, or maybe you will feel as if you are in charge of everything in your life in the month of September. Things will be going quite smoothly for you. May it be your family life, or may it be your career. Okay, you will feel as if people are more trusting and more dependable on you. You will be more dependable in the month of September. Maybe you will be given charge of a project in the work you are doing, or anything like that. Yeah, I'm seeing you very prepared and very assertive in the month of September. You will plan everything out and just be very assertive about everything. Okay, I'm also seeing there will be opportunities coming to you via internet. You might start freelancing, or maybe you will get a home-based work, something extra where you can earn something extra. So quite opportunities coming your way through internet. So be open, be open to the opportunities you're receiving via internet. It will be quite fruitful for you. Okay, you might also feel as if you are charged up. You are your mindset is quite awakened. You will feel quite assertive in the month of September, Geminis. Yeah, some things will go bad for the highest good. Okay, so you might feel as if things are not going as you have planned them to, but it will be okay. Through the month of at the end of September, things will be, you will see why it happened like that, or why things went the way it had happened. Yeah, so that is what I'm seeing here. So quite assertive, optimistic, I'm seeing your month is going to be in the month of September. And I'm also seeing you will be more you will feel more comfortable when working in a group, in a team. Okay, and you will lead that team. That is what I'm seeing here. Yeah, so let's move to your love life. What I see here is I'm seeing here you will try to improve your relationship in the month of September, or your person will be trying to improve the relationship. You will feel as if things are falling into place. You will find balance within your work and your love life, in your professional and your personal life, is what I'm seeing here. You will feel calm and collected throughout the month of September. You will feel as if things are moving quite smoothly for you and your person. Yeah, they will be very adjusting to your needs. They will be quite adjusting to what you have to put to the table, and you will be quite giving in the month of September. You will, in spite of being busy at your workspace, you will still find a way and still find time to, you know, give to your person, and that will be that through that your person will feel quite warm. They will feel your warmth, your love, your attention. All they need is your love, your attention, your time. So in spite of being busy, I would really advise you to make time for your loved ones. Okay, make time for your family. I'm also saying you will be that you will if you both are into a no contact situation, or maybe things are falling apart for both of you from a long time, you will take the leadership, you will take the charge to take action. You will be quite optimistic and hopeful for this relationship. I see a lot of warm, cozy, comfortable feelings. I'm getting these vibes. Okay, you both exchanging in the month of September. I'm also seeing there is a lot of spying going on. You might be curious to know what your person is doing. Your person might be curious to know what you are doing. That is what I'm getting. You both will be very curious to know what the other person is feeling like, what the other person is going through, what the other person is doing in their life. And that is what will bring you back together if you're not together. Okay, that curiosity of knowing what the other person is doing will bring you back together. If you have been recently going through a very tough time in your love life, things will be falling into place now. Yeah, maybe you both will realize how important you both are for each other. When you are apart from each other, you will realize even more, and the love is growing. Like, see, the Lovers card is just adjoined to the Tower card. So after a dark phase in your love life, you're going to see better things coming off. Yeah. Let's clarify this Three of Cups. What is this Three of Cups about? Okay. Yeah, I'm seeing maybe your person, maybe quite possible your person was into a third party situation, or you were into a third party situation, and the person they were dealing with, they might have left them alone. We have Knight of Cups here. Maybe they left you for the other person, and now they are feeling all alone because they have nothing left with them. They are feeling all alone and left out. They feel as if they have to chase someone. Yeah, I think they are looking back with this Three of Wands. I think they are looking back to you, to this connection, looking forward to this connection with you, because they have now realized that no one else can love them the way you did. Yeah, that is what I'm seeing here. Let's see more. What do we have? First, let's see what you will be feeling like. Let's focus on your feelings. How Geminis will be feeling. Wow, Justice. You might be dealing with a Libra. I think you will want an equal give and take in the relationship. You will want equal, balanced relationship, and that is what exactly will be served to you. Yeah. What more do we have? Eight of Wands. You want communication. You will receive communication, or things will be moving forward with pace. Things will start moving quickly. Yeah. What more do we have? Yeah, Page of Wands. I think you want to connect with this person. You want to know more of this person, and that is what exactly you will be doing. You will be getting to know this person more. Yeah, you will be quite passionate about this person. There is a newfound passion which I see from both you and your person's side. What more do we have? What more do we have? Silence, transformation. See, I told you, there is something which is changing within you, within this connection, within the other person. Something is changing, and you need to transform. You need to transform to make things better. You need to transform your ideology. You need to transform the way you look at things, your perception maybe. So it might be different for different people. Yeah, and you are going through a lot of transformation. Your relationship is going through a lot of transformation. Next is silence. Let's see what the silence is about. Why do we have silence here? Okay. I think when you are not talking to each other, when you're away from each other, your person might try, you or your person might compare the current situation with the past situation, might try to contemplate things. Yeah, try to see why things went wrong, why you're not talking to each other, why things went so wrong that you're not even talking to each other. Yeah, what more do we have? See, there is a lot of guilt I see here. There is a lot of overthinking which I see here with this mind card. Definitely, you will be looking to the situation through a whole new perspective, and you really need that. You really need that. Why is mind card here? Might be your person might feel guilty when they are not with you. They might feel guilty. What more do we have? Ordinariness. This person will try to look at the brighter side of the picture, and you will also do the same. You will try to make things better, to see the colorful side of the picture. That is what I am seeing here. Yeah. Okay. Let's see what advice do we have for you. What advice do we have for Geminis? What advice do we have for Geminis? What advice do we have for Geminis? Okay. The first card is no place like home. I think you both belong to each other. You both feel comfortable with each other. You both feel like home with each other. And that is what needs to be realized, that no place like home. This is the best place to be. This is the best person to be with. That realization you're going to soon get. Okay. The next card is co-create. I think you both both need to work together. You both need to work as a team. You both need to work like partners to create the reality you both want this relationship to be like. So that is what I'm saying here. You need to co-create what you really want. Yeah. New life. This is the next this is the new cycle of your relationship. This is a new phase of your relationship. In September month, something is going to change. See, you're going to feel happy. You're going to feel content with this person. Yeah. Beautiful reading, Geminis. Okay, let's see what handwritten advices do we have for Geminis here. What do we have? What messages do we have for Geminis? Okay, so your persons or your initials might start with A, D, H, P, I, S, Z, F, O, B. What more do we have for Geminis? The next is soulmate. You might be soulmates. What more do we have for Geminis? Friendship. You might attract good friendships, or maybe your relationship with your friend is going to get better. Stalker, I told you, someone is stalking you, someone is wanting to connect to you. The next is pray more. This person, if you want to connect to this person, if you want to manifest, if you want this person back in your life, just pray more, just connect with the higher self. Okay, so yeah, that is what I'm seeing here. If you like this reading, please hit the like button, and if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing my channel. See you in next video.